Rush fam. So I'm back in the Portmore city, St. Catherine, and we'll be taking a look on these construction right here in the Portmore Pines area. So definitely stay tuned. Alright, so we have done multiple updates on these construction right here off the municipal boulevard. So that finished building is a BPO, which is the same as a call center. Right now it's leased to Ibex Global. They have a location, two locations in Portmore, one in New Kingston, one in downtown, one in Ocho-Rios as well. Most of the new developments that are going up are BPOs, are call center. They seem to be one of the main industry that's really employing people. So we've done multiple videos on this complex before. What I'll do is to put one of the very first video I did of this area. I'll put it in the comments section so you guys can see where it's coming from. And of course this is a drone video. So that's a plaza over here. So we take a look at that plaza and we see that they have a second call center going up. That's building 2. Last time I was over here, I think it was only foundation, so they're really moving very quickly. So we'll get some drone shots of that, and of course we'll get some drone shots of this completed building. Very nice design. I love the incorporation of the glass. But as usual guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. Subscribing is also free. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so remember to subscribe. So BPO, creating jobs for the future. So this is the GTech park, so they're creating a BPO park over here. So one building is finished and building 2 and 3 is coming very soon, as you can see. Alright, so the GTech park is being developed at a cost of 3.5 million Jamaican. So the aim is to transform what was just a waste empty land right here off the municipal boulevard. The aim is to transform it into a BPO park, information center, where not only BPO can exist but other technology based companies. So that's the aim. So as I said before, one building is finished, second is going up, and I guess third will be right there in that space. So it's the GTech Park, 3.5 billion Jamaican dollars worth of development. So that's what's happening in Portmore. Alright, so again guys, really appreciate the support, all the comments, all the likes, the consistent family members on the channel, family members of Raymore Reviews, family members of the community that always comment, that always watch, always share. And for some persons that don't watch everything as well, that's fine, because I don't watch everything on YouTube. So probably you prefer drone videos, probably you prefer driving videos, probably you prefer apartment reviews. So whatever it is, I'm sure I have something for you, and for a friend, a family, and for someone overseas. So remember to share the videos, because I'm sure there's a lot of persons that have never seen the channel. We just want to showcase the beauty of Jamaica, the development that's happening in Jamaica, in terms of everything that's happening. Alright, so we'll be sending up the drone shortly, so stay tuned for that. And again, we're in the Portmore Pines area, right over here in Portmore. St. Catherine. I think they want to, turn Portmore into the 15th parish. To be honest, I don't think it's a big of a deal, personally speaking. To turn Portmore in a parish, I know it's a big community. I know it's a big population. I know they need a hospital for their own and some other public amenities, but a parish, I don't know what I think. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so we'll be setting up the drone so we can get some aerial shots of the completed building. The one that has gone up seems to be around the same size as the completed one. And this plaza is almost finished. We'll get some shots as well. So let's send up the drone.